Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dua Ali and my roll number is 17SW75 and my partner's roll number is 17SW115 and her name is Kuratalan Sheikh. Our FYP project is a restaurant recommender for Hyderabadians, and we make this project in the supervision of Ms. Hiran. What is the recommenders? Recommenders are one of the most useful applications of machine learning, which identified items of potential interest to the user based on user preferences, user profile, or user ratings. The motivation is that nowadays dine out has become a trend, so many restaurants to choose from, and our project will recommend them which restaurants is best for them. The problem statement which is encountered in our project, which is addressed in our project is currently Hyderabad residents. There is no restaurant recommender application which works on user preferences and suggests user the restaurants according to user's interest. The aim of this FYP is to develop a restaurant recommender to provide a restaurant suggestion that a user might like. Objectives which we had fulfilled are design a form for producing dataset, to apply algorithms on the dataset, to generate recommendation, to develop the restaurant recommender, to evaluate the restaurant recommender. There are many approaches for building a restaurant recommendation system. Recommendation systems are the collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering recommendation systems give recommendation by exploring relationship and similarities between user and between items. The types of collaborative filterings are memory-based collaborative filtering and model-based collaborative filtering. The approach type which we had used in our project is model-based collaborative filtering. There's also a content-based filtering which is based on the item. It means if a user like an item and there is a similar item in the data set, then that item will be recommended to the user. Knowledge-based recommendation systems provide the user with evidence without a decision to make or an action to take. Hybrid recommendation systems means different recommendation approaches work together to provide a good result. Files in the static folder, there are as our project is web-based, so the CSS file is there in the static folder. In the template folder, there is a page index of the HTML. This is the environment created for the recommendation system. In init.py file, we had loaded the models, which is trained. In the config.py file, the server is configured in this file, and we use SQL schema for the database. Foodchoices.csv is the trained model by using collaborative filtering. In model.py, the logics are used to recommend using the location and cuisine parameters. Here is this is the by default page shown when we first started our application, and when we choose the location and the cuisine and search for them, then the recommended restaurants will be shown there. And the branches, like the cuisines, especially which cuisines to be choose, will be recommended for that restaurant. And another location in cuisine and another recommendation. The best of them will be shown in this page. We will in future we will work on this project and make this project a product, and will enhance its interface and other things, inshallah. Thank you.